Welcome to our guide on how to hide incognito notifications in Google Chrome. If you value your privacy and want to keep your browsing sessions discreet, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. This is the starting point for all the changes we're about to make. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. This icon opens a menu with various options. Click on it to proceed. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Notifications. Click on this option to manage how Chrome handles notifications, including those pesky incognito notifications. Now enter the Incognito section. Here, you will find specific settings related to your private browsing experience. The final step is to disable Show Notifications. You'll see a toggle switch that controls this feature. Simply click it to turn off notifications for incognito mode. By following these steps, you can effectively hide incognito notifications in Google Chrome, allowing for a more private browsing experience without interruptions or alerts. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you maintain your privacy while using Google Chrome.